Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh Surface for SOLIDWORKS. I will just create an empty freeform and we'll create a rectangular face here. I just click and created one on the screen. As we know how to duplicate, I will just use the selector, will hold the Alt key and duplicate my face. I will do the same couple of times so we have more faces. I will double click here to select the whole edge chain, and holding the Alt key will duplicate. Let's place it here, and then I can place this one here. So as you can see, everything is on the XY plane, and we have a selection here what we can select, and let's select everything that I can be more flexible and click on this face. You can duplicate edges, but also you can duplicate faces. If I hold Alt key, I can technically just duplicate this face. If I hold the Alt key again, you see that I can continue duplicating this. And this is, you can understand something which is called extrusion. I can just Control Z this operation. I can select multiple faces, for example these two, using the Control key, and then if I hold the Alt key I can extrude. So technically duplication of faces works as an extrusion method. You can duplicate this again, and later you will see that you will be able actually to create a crease here, and you can create different forms. So I hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching.